We are here now at one of the restoration site of Binhi, EDC's banner environmental program.
So this project entitled Forest Restoration using Philippine Threatened and Endemic Species is one of the project of APOCO that is first in the Philippines, making a private sector as the implementing agency.
Together with our partners from the ASEAN Forest Cooperation Organization, Alliance of Bachman Farmers Association Incorporated, and the Department of Environment and Natural Resources,
aside from restoring 100 hectares of forest land, it also envisioned to develop a propagation protocol for this endemic and threatened species.
we are restoring this site in Barangay Cabocongan using Philippine Threatened Endemic Species such as Santos Lemon, and Shorea, and Agatis.
Kami po ay magtatanim ng mga native na punong kahoy dito sa kabundukan ng aming barangay. Kami po ay nagagalak na napili kami bilang parte nitong project na ito na malaki po ang maitutulong nito para mapangalagaan ang aming kabundukan para maiwasan po ang pagguho ng lupa dito sa aming lugar.
And on top of this target, we have also agreed to develop a policy that will, of course, help the DNR in providing guidelines for the restoration using this endemic species.
Nagkaroon po ng dagdag na pagkakakitaan ng aming mga kabarangay at ito po ay paraan namin para mapangalagaan ang aming kalikasan para sa susunod na henerasyon.
This will also help not only the government as well as partners in using this threatened endemic species for the restoration of this forest land. Me, as the national focal point of the APOCO here in the Philippines, I'm very excited to witness the success of this project. In fact, I see this project as a pilot project wherein if we do it successfully, more projects will come using the model of APOCO, private sector, and the government initiative.
We are thankful for the continuous support from our partners, APOCO, ALBAFI, and our local environmental agency, DNR.
So again, congratulations to EDC, APOCO, for this beneficial project.
With this project, it is our hope to conserve and protect our threatened native tree species for a more regenerative future for the Philippines.